And I have got like one of my longest rods and my shortest rods. I have got the Daiwa Tetula combo bait caster, and I have got the infamous St.Croix Fishing Machine. And I've got a snacky swimmer on that sucker. And so let's get this thing extended. Whoops. There we go. That's not bad. This piece is a little off. It's a little tricky to get it lined up correctly. I don't think it has to be exactly perfect. Having a time with this one. Nope, got to go around the other way. That's not bad. So this is a St. Croix vintage fishing machine, and I haven't done it. A friend of mine picked this up for me in Ohio. Thank you, Sam. And we are going to toss this snacky swimmer on this thing and see how it does. See if I can catch a fish on this thing. Thinking there might be some micro bass around here. I don't know. I didn't do anything to this. I mean, when I got it, no telling how long it's been sitting around, but it had line on it, so I just used the line that's on it and tied a 1/16 ounce jig head on there, and it casts and reels. And whether it will catch a fish is yet to be seen. But that casts pretty good, man. It's a 1/16 ounce jig head. I mean, I probably should have put some oil or something in there, but I just wanted to test it out and see if it works like it's supposed to. It's got this weird contraption on here called a rangefinder, where basically you turn it off and then you cast, then you turn it on and start reeling. Reel it in. Then when you do your next cast, it'll only go as far as you set it for. Let's see how that works. Yep. Stopped it right there. So the rangefinder is off. I'm just going to leave it off for now. I mean, it's kind of cool in a way, I guess. Still trying to get used to reeling with my right hand. There's some little fish down in here. Maybe there's a micro bass party going on by those drain pipes. I'm dying to catch a fish on this thing. Casts pretty good. There's no telling how old this line is, or what kind it is, or if it's strong enough to hold a fish. That's why I went with the small lure. I got the guides are not exactly lined up correctly. I think I can probably fix that a little bit, maybe. Yeah, I think I just did. But yeah, so anyway, this is the St. Croix Fishing Machine. It's even got a drag. And as you can see, it casts and reels. I think with a little service, I think this thing could turn into something pretty cool. Not that it didn't already. Anyway, that's the fishing machine. Let's move down a little bit here and see if we can't catch something on this sucker. I'm heading for these drain pipes here. All scummed up around there, but I can cast around. I'm gonna cast this fishing machine a little bit over here with this Hazardong minnow. See if we can get some micro bass over here. Damn, that thing casts farther than you think. There's one. He hit it. Oh, I got one. Oh, damn. Look at that. Holy crap. First fish on the fishing machine. Micro bass. Well, hell yeah. I didn't even know he was on there. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna pose with the fishing machine. Now I can post the video. Well, damn right. Score one for the fishing machine. And twisted up the minnow. How did he do that? Probably are to get away from that big guy. I picked up some shit or something. Ain't rolling right. Oh, it fell off, whatever it was. Nice. Fishing machine. Got another one. Looks like a little bluegill or something. Yep, look at that. Well, that's not a little one, that's a nice one. It's a nice little bluegill. On the fishing machine, buddy. Look at that. He's just bigger. He's enough to cover up the reel. There you go. Damn, man. It's real shallow in here. This little spot I'm fishing around these tunnels is actually the deeper spot around in here. You probably can't see it, but it gets real shallow out there real quick. I'm probably in the shallows now. I just spooked some fish. So this thing's got a slow retrieve, so you kind of got to work it. That wasn't a very good cast. Oh, something hit it. Something hit it. I think there'd be some action around these tunnels because the water is sucking through. I picked up a bunch of shit. That's why I was dragging. Yeah, I was thinking there might be something hanging around this tunnel. Damn sure was. Look at that. Holy crap. That's a big one. Damn. I don't know if I can get him in or not on this thing. Damn, that's a big bass. Damn, I'm gonna have to get him. This thing ain't reeling him in, man. Wow, look at the rod bending. Where'd you go, buddy? Good God! Holy crap. Fishing machine. Oh, look at that. He was in that tunnel. Man. Oh, that was epic. Please tell me I had that camera on. Oh, man. Man, we can't get the hook out of you, buddy. Oh! Man, I dropped more damn fish, man. That's a big damn fish. Especially to catch on this rinky-dink thing. It ain't actually so rinky-dink, man. Alright, got it. Alright, there you go. On the fishing machine. Would you look at that? Look at that. That's epic. Can't believe I got him in with that thing. That. Yeah, man. Well, we're gonna let you go now, bro. Thanks for doing that, man. That was awesome. He's hiding right in that tunnel. Damn. The fishing machine. On God. Touché. Damn, I almost hit that damn thing on the other side there. That cup floating in the water out there. Technically, I can get that far. I'm wondering if that is supposed to go under that bar. I need to research that. Oh, I almost hit it. That's my target, though. Styrofoam cup. That's way off. Oh, not too far off. past it now. All right, yeah, let's get out of here. I am hungry and thirsty.